gde ste bre ljudi, evo nas ponovo u JovanGames i danas ćemo igrati jednu igricu koja se zove Madagaskar. Ljudi, igrat ćemo ovako i idemo na prvi nivo. Idemo. Ovo je prvi. Idemo.
Collect 3 power cards. Hey, cool, power cards. Bet if I collect enough of them, gotta kick in those gates. Just press the attack button. Find 3 power cards. Seeing your smiling faces makes it all worthwhile. Now you should be able to get some extra air. At the top of your jump, you just press that freaking jump button again to somersault to higher places. Now let's see you jump through the rain. Well, use the attack button to roll. 'Don't let those flying rats tell you different. Looks like my work here is done.
Maybe you ought to swing by Glorious. You look like you need a little pick-me-up. Nobody cheers up a zebra like a hippo, right? I'll see you tonight at the birthday thing. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Maybe Melman can cheer me up. No matter how bad I think things are, they're always somehow worse for him.
Marty, what's wrong? Is it contagious?
What's wrong? Well, I've just been feeling a little...
Oh, things are going okay with me.
If I pop enough of these balloons, I talk funny.
On your mark, get set. Did I say move yet? I don't think so. In fact, forget it. The race is canceled. Go!
It may not be very race, but I can use my tumble attack by pressing the attack button. I can't stop!
Wow, those spicy peppers sure get you moving.
We are victorious.
was a little close, but the point is, you still beat those bird brains in. Awesome, Glow. Looks like my work here is done. Guess I'll kick it on back to the curb.
Aw, Marty. Don't be blue-striped. Chin up. It is your birthday, after all.
All right, Private. Fine technique, son. Now let's see. Steadfast, soldier. Steadfast. Outstanding. Now go for only red arrows. You've caught the wrong... You've got some chops. Acquire the stuffed animal decoys. They may come in handy. Keep fishing, soldier. Recover the hat. Let's see if you can find me some sunglasses. Now get me a bucket, soldier. That was some first-class fishing.
Those penguins... Damn it! Press your attack button to spin that garbage out of your cage. Unless you like those germs.
Be gone, foul! They're like germs with wings and beaks! At last!
I ljudi, to je sve za ovu epizodu, bila je jako kratka, ali idemo po redu, tako da ljudi, to je sve za ovaj klip, idemo se sledeći. Boj.